Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Tuli's brand. They're Plantar Fasciitis Insoles, premium arch support. This is the package it came in, and we're going to take a look at them. And you can see that it has full arch support, superior medial arch support to help with plantar fasciitis and flat feet. Has heel cushions, 4-degree angled heel support, promote good posture, provide comfort with each step, and metatarsal arch support they put inside there, and metatarsal cushioning. So these get really good ratings and reviews from customers on Amazon, and it's accepted by the American Podiatric Association. And we're going to be testing these out. My wife does a lot of walking, and we're going to be testing them out in her gym shoes. We're going to be cutting these to fit. Interesting feel and look to them. They have this gel, wow, and it's kind of angled a certain way. Let's take a look at this other one right here. Yeah, it's intentionally angled. If you look at the gel on the back right there, see that angle that they intentionally put in right there? And these actually have a little bit of movement to them, but they're high resistance friction. And then this is a plastic rigid material. Then it gets softer as it goes towards the front. Then it's got that gel material again. Very interesting design. I mean, I've tested a lot of insoles, but this is the first one I saw that has gel, soft, rigid, all combined together. They look really high tech, and what's nice is that you'd think with all this gel that these would be heavy, but they're actually very lightweight, which is impressive that they're able to put that much technology in there and still have it lightweight. So these are full-length replacement insoles with arch support designed specifically for treating plantar fasciitis. They have a natural feel with shock absorption that I showed right on the bottom right there, and a lot of people really think these help them, and they're all trimmed to fit. So we're going to be trimming them to fit in my wife's shoe. And they're made from light EVA foam, and I'll tell you, you'd think they'd be heavier with that on there, but they're actually very light and comfortable. So these are perfect for all shoes you have, running shoes, dress shoes, anything. And you'll be able to just fit it to your shoe. It's also APMA accepted and made in the United States, as I mentioned, and it's a unique shock absorbing design. So here's my wife's running shoes. We're going to use the old insert to measure and cut any differences to get it to fit for the new Tuli's insert. And there we go. Now we have the Tuli's inserts in, and she's going to go do her walking. So after my wife tested these out, the Tuli's Plantar Fasciitis Insoles, what do we think about them? What does she think about them? Well, I think that these are amazing looking, the lightweight feel of them, the quality of the materials. She walked with them and they feel excellent on her feet. She's getting used to them because they are new insoles, but the quality of the materials I notice, and the great reviews these get, and the way she was walking, the way she felt, I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.